same shoes today. It doesn't matter where you come from. Pain speaks one language, and tears have no color. Death is a visitor that doesn't knock. It just enters. Yesterday we were laughing. Yesterday the house was full. But today there is an empty chair at the table. There's a silence in the hallway, and we are looking at each other, asking questions. Why now? Why us? Why now? We don't have the answers, Lord, we only have His prayer.